What's up, YouTube? What's up, Facebook? This is Mike here with Trushine Cleaning. There's no light in this room, but I'm out here in the downtown St. Louis area, getting ready to clean a two-bedroom, well, two-room, I should say. It's a living room and bedroom, as you guys can see. I'm at like a high-rise, up on the 4th floor. Carpet is, actually, the carpet is in great condition, honestly. It's not bad at all. Show you guys a little bit of this room. I don't have the lamp in this room right now. I'm about to get ready to start vacuuming. As you can see, carpet is not bad at all. I won't say it's in great condition. It does have a high traffic area here, but you know, that's typical, you know, coming out the front door, going into the kitchen. So that traffic area, it's not bad. I'm pretty sure it would lighten up very well once I get done agitating it. But as you can see, this carpet is not bad at all. Not really any stains that I can see. Really want to get a thorough look at it once I start vacuuming. But right now, it's just these two rooms, this little hallway area. So, show you guys. It looks like they already kind of vacuumed. The carpet does not look bad at all. Does not look like it has a lot of debris on it. So we're gonna see how much dirt is vacuumed out of those two rooms, out of these two rooms, I should say. So, all right now, so just got done vacuuming. When I say I didn't think this carpet had this much debris in it, but I went through all the closets. So, show you guys a little bit. I didn't bring a bag up with me this time, so try to give you guys a little peek of how it looks right now. I try to remember to get a video before when I load up everything, but I didn't show you guys the inside of it before I started anyway, but it was empty. But you know, I know some people like to see the actual vacuum process. Didn't really get a good video of it. But that's how much dirt came out of these two rooms. So, and the customer did say they had a cat, so a lot of it does look like cat hair. But so, yeah, a lot of that does look like cat hair. So, but it did. I did not think that much debris was in this carpet. Mind you, they have a vacuum right there, so I thought they just got done vacuuming. The carpet didn't look bad at all either, but that's how much dirt was pulled out. So I'm gonna get ready to pre-spray, set up my machine, and knock this job out. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, so I got everything pre-vacuumed. Got the pre-spray sitting on the carpet. Got everything ran. Got my machine here. So about to get ready to agitate a few areas with my brush here. The dark blue side is a little rougher than the light blue. So what I do is I just go over certain areas like this. And since my pre-spray is on the carpet, this helps breaks the dirt from the fibers of the carpet. So once I come back and rinse out everything with the wine, everything comes up pretty good. Now, I mainly use this on the high traffic areas, not really the whole floor, because the whole floor does not need it. So you can see from coming out of the kitchen, onto the bedroom and the bathroom. And it's basically the same thing that my Oric does for all you guys who be seeing my video when I use the Oric. This is basically what this machine does, but the Oric just spins in a circle. And it's really for breaking down tougher stains on carpet. So that's pretty much it. So there's no areas in there that I need to do it in. And this area is pretty much good. So I've probably been letting my pre-spray sit on the carpet for at least about 15, 20 minutes. As you can see, it's still wet. So that's a good sign. You're not supposed to let your pre-spray dry. As you guys can see, it's still wet. So I'm finna get ready to start extracting, show you guys a little bit of the process. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, can you please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Once I'm done with that room, I'm gonna have to bring that lamp back in this room because they have no ceiling lights. I really don't like apartments like that. Like, it's the only light they have. It's right here in the hallway. I don't know why they does it like that. I run across a lot of apartments like that. They don't have no ceiling lights, so. But that's pretty much it. But they got ceiling lights in those rooms, but the kitchen and that hallway. Not sure why they don't put it in the living room and the bedroom, but thanks for watching, guys. All right, you guys, so I got this high traffic area done. As you guys can see, came out great. So, got this area done. I got this room done as well. So, as you guys can see, I have to change the lamp into this room. Okay, so about to get ready to turn my machine around, set it on this side, work my way out the door. I really did this area first before I did this room because I wanted to see how good it came out. So it actually came out better than I thought it was. So you guys can see. And not sure if you guys know about how this carpet is, but it's like the shaded carpet. You push it one way, it's lighting up. You pull it the other way, it's darkened. So if you do it like that, you guys can see. So pull that. So other than that, everything's coming out great. Should be done with this room in like the next 10 minutes. I actually was on good timing with this one. I thought I was gonna be done by 7 o'clock, and I should definitely be done by 7. Phone's always going dead. But show you guys a little bit of the process of this room. I didn't really record in the other room, so I'm going to record in this one. So I'll just show you guys a little bit of work. Thanks for watching. One thing about this carpet, it is pretty thick. So my wine is really sucking to the carpet, so it's kind of hard to push. That's kind of why I did not do a video in the other room, because my wine is sucking to the carpet, and it's easier to do it with 2 hands, because I hold the handle with 1 hand. So I'm giving you guys a little video. All right, you guys. Show you guys the finished results when I'm done. All right, you guys. Here goes the finished walkthrough of this 2 rooms, living room, bedroom. Can't really see in there because I don't have a lamp, but overall the carpet came out great. All the high traffic areas lighting up pretty good. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Yeah, me being on the 4th floor, about to get on the elevator now. So just got my vacuum, my solution, my wine, and my machine. I'm going to invest in me a little cart for when I usually do high rises like this. I don't do a lot of them, but when I do have them, I'm going to invest in me a little cart, something pretty spacious, not nothing too big, but where I can kind of just put all my small pieces, like my wine, all this stuff, so I can just roll it right up. Don't have to make 2 trips. So, but other than that, that's pretty much it, you guys. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, can you please subscribe to the YouTube channel? Thank you. All right, you guys. So before I load up everything, here goes the high rise I was just at downtown off of 17th Street. I'm going to show you guys how much dirt came out of this vacuum. Now, I didn't show you guys a good before, but to show you guys how much came out. Okay, so you can see this hand. I'm going to dump this in first. Okay, as you can see, now I'm going to hit this button and drop the rest. One thing I don't like about this vacuum is, I don't say I don't like about it, but the cover, like the clear part of the container gets dirty very fast. You can't really see inside of it, but overall, it has great suction. But you guys can see how much dirt came out of those 2 rooms. And I showed the customer after I vacuumed it, as we was coming down the elevator, I showed her, like, I was able to open the top of it up and she was able to see. And she was amazed by how much it was as well. So starting to like the Shark vacuum, but it does get dirty very fast. Of course, I'm sucking up dirt, so what am I supposed to expect?